All right, gonna do a quick walk around this one. It's a 65 short bed, Fleetside, big window truck. Really a lot of money spent on this truck. It's a really fun driver. Built 355 small block in it. I mean, all new. It's been gone through completely, all new internals, new heads, Holley carb, cam, new 350 trans, 12-bolt rear end, finished in this satin blue and white, nice interior. See, underneath the doors are nice. The rockers were replaced. Got a nice set of gauges. New steering column. No stereo. Does have heat, but only just over 400 miles.